arranging the webinar. I can say as well that I'm running a webinar next Tuesday and Wednesday, organized by the Law Society of South Africa, dealing with criminal law matters and specifically dealing with forensic evidence. So I don't know if you've received it. I'm not sure if candidate attorneys receive any correspondence from the Law Society of South Africa, but you can contact them if you want to join up. I think there is a cost involved, but for candidate attorneys, it will probably be next to nothing, or otherwise the people that you're working for should cover the expenses. So the important thing about it is it deals with forensic evidence, and I actually have a forensic expert who's going to be talking about, he's an expert with regard to cell phone interception, and also with regard to CCTV footage, cameras and analyzing footage on crime scenes. So I think it's become quite relevant because we've recently heard how an accused intercepted cell phones and cell phone calls and traced to the extent that to shoot a lieutenant colonel in the police a short while ago. So it is a problem, and I think MTN and Vodacom are also making it more difficult for people to intercept cell phone and to track cell phones. So it's going to be quite interesting. Last year I lectured for LSSA at various places, but this is a webinar. And for a couple of years I've been lecturing on behalf of Law Society of South Africa at various venues in South Africa. In fact, for many years. So just a brief introduction. I am a practicing lawyer, obviously, legal practitioner these days, which is a good thing. I think all attorneys and advocates should fall under the same umbrella as they do in United States of America. You're all lawyers, and in the United Kingdom, you actually have solicitor barristers who then appear in the High Court. There's also a move afoot for attorneys to be appointed as senior counsel, because I think that is long overdue as a reward for work that attorneys do, and particularly those that litigate. I head the Law Society of South Africa's Criminal Law Committee. I'm deputy chair of the Legal Aid Committee. I've served on the ex-Law Society of the West of the Cape, as it was, before the Legal Practice Act came in, as a counsellor and a counsellor at the LSSA, and a whole lot of other things, including being interviewed internationally at the dealing with the International Criminal Court in The Hague. I actually attended 2 seminars in Maputo dealing with the Rome Statute, which created the International Criminal Court. And I've also spoken at the Commonwealth Lawyers Association meeting, which was held in Cape Town about 2, maybe 3 years ago. And I do specialize in criminal defense work. But I think these days lawyers are seemingly taking on a lot of other type of work. But I think if you specialize, it's like a doctor or a surgeon.